Jackfruit farm, and it's somewhere in Miami. My dad did tell me that I should be ready, and I am ready, and I was ready, but I couldn't find my shoes. I was gonna go down this stairwell, but I got to the second floor and it was like pitch black dark, and I was like,
I'd rather not get snatched up in a pitch black dark stairwell,
and I'd rather be late by taking the elevator. My parents can yell at me all they want, but I preserved my life. Dunk, run. Say it with me. Ready? Okay. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Dunk, run. And somebody commented how cute this bag is. I mean, look how cute this bag is. We made it to the farm. There's doggies, guys. He's so cute. Abby, come.
So you just let it ride, and then freeze it too. It's
Guys, this is a farm dog laying in the grass. Guys, there's little lychees, I don't know. Correct me, but little ones growing. We're trying to find some sapodilla now. I think there's some at the front. We saw when we were coming in.
No, I got it.
Don't go there.
This is her show.
Yes!
Yeah, those are the soft ones. So that way the egg is not going to be fertilized, and I don't need to kind of find an embryo.
Hi, Loco.
Loco.
Up on the rock.
They're all in their These are my little cockatiels, and they think that's a baby right there.
Allspice. Yes, we found lots of big jackfruits here. So
Yes. And Gabby's a singer. We have so much in common.
Like, we're gonna say something in sync. Is that okay?
Yeah. Okay. How do we do it? We love Finka 305. Is that cool?
Okay, that works.
We love Finka 305.
Thank you so much. It's so nice meeting you. Okay. That was fun. That was fun because that's something I never do. So you guys should be very proud of me. My parents left me on the side of the road to go get mangoes in a corner. But it's okay. I'm trying to currently convince them to go to Ikea. So I really like Ikea, guys. Here's why. Ikea big. Ikea good color. Ikea not American. And I don't really know much about their food. I think I've only been there like twice in my entire life. But Ikea has fake rooms where I could pretend play. Okay, that's all. Let's go to Ikea, guys. Wow, look at that. Bright blue color. It's captivating. I'm at Ikea. We love Ikea. What? Goal number 1. Find a map. Okay. Oh, she's giving out maps. How convenient. Here is the game plan. So, I have a map. And basically, this is where we are. Wait. We are somewhere around here. And this is what we want to skip. We want food, of course. We want the traditional Swedish, Ikea, Scandinavian food. So we are going to go upstairs to that wonderful place. Look at him. What is he doing? That's the game plan. We're just waiting for my mom to finish using the restroom, and then we will initiate it.
Guys, I got a cart.
This is so cool. the meatballs with the whatever, and I'll put this on the screen as well. And then we got chocolate cake.
Yeah, blueberry scone.
Gabby, you have that?
Okay, so apparently this is cranberry sauce. It tastes like cranberry sauce. It looks like jelly. That makes sense.
It's good.
After arguing with my mom that I don't leave the house, thus being the reason I have the environmental knowledge of a fish, I looked up the item and it's actually lignin berry, not cranberry, but a tart red berry that is native to Northern Europe. So, I'm sorry, I guess.
Anyways, I'm in my favorite section, the appliance section. This is where I always go when I'm in Home Depot. Whenever I'm alone, you will find me in this section. Let's get out of here before he buys a lawnmower. Well, everybody, we are back home and I am ready to go take this shower and get this sweat off my skin. So, thank you guys for coming along with me on this day. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned a little something about me. I hope you guys liked it, I guess. And I will see you guys in the next vlog.